In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with HubSpot for real estate. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your setup for your real estate business, this tutorial will guide you through the essential steps to make the most of this powerful platform. From managing contacts to streamlining your sales pipeline, HubSpot offers a suite of tools tailored to help real estate professionals stay organized, save time, and close deals more efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. This is the starting point for accessing all the tools and features designed specifically for professionals like you in the real estate industry. If you don't already have an account, head over to the HubSpot website and sign up. You'll find the registration process straightforward, and it's your gateway to all the functionality we'll cover today. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section. This is where you can personalize your account to meet the unique needs of your real estate business. Custom settings allow you to tailor the platform, making it easier to manage your day-to-day operations with greater precision. Next, invite your team members to your account. Collaboration is key in real estate, and by adding your colleagues, you'll be able to work together seamlessly on shared projects, whether you're managing listings, buyers, or sellers. Simply follow the prompts to send out team invites so everyone can get started. After that, take a moment to customize your dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your home base. It should reflect the tools and information you use most often. By tailoring it to fit your real estate operations, you'll streamline your workflow and ensure that everything you need is just a click away. Now let's move into managing your contacts. Head over to the Contacts section and import your existing contact list. Keeping all your contacts centralized in HubSpot ensures that you have everything in one place, making it easier to access and manage. If you've been using spreadsheets or another software to handle your contacts, just follow the prompts to upload your list. HubSpot will guide you step by step to ensure a smooth import process. Once your contacts are in the system, it's time to create or customize properties for contacts, companies, deals, and listings. This step allows you to reflect the specific details of your real estate business. For example, you can include fields like the number of bedrooms, square footage, buyer types, or even the listing agent. Adding these custom properties ensures that your database is fully aligned with your business needs. Next up, let's configure your sales pipelines. Sales pipelines in HubSpot are incredibly flexible and can be customized for buying, selling, and renting properties. Tailoring the stages of your pipeline helps mirror your business's workflow, so each step from initial contact to closing is clearly defined and easy to track. To enhance your communications, connect your email sending domain. This step is crucial because it ensures that any emails you send directly from HubSpot appear professional and on-brand. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in maintaining your business's credibility and image. Now let's focus on marketing and lead management. HubSpot offers a variety of tools for website optimization, social media marketing, and content creation. These features are designed to boost your online presence, helping you attract more potential buyers and sellers. Take the time to explore these tools and see how they can amplify your marketing efforts. Speaking of leads, make sure to take advantage of HubSpot's lead management automation tools. These tools can automatically assign leads to the right team members and even set up follow-up tasks. By automating these processes, you'll ensure that no opportunity is missed and that every lead is nurtured efficiently. Moving on, let's talk about tracking deals and managing client relationships. Within your sales pipelines, you can easily monitor the progress of deals at every stage. Whether you're working on a new listing or finalizing a sale, this feature keeps you organized and in control of the entire process. To nurture your client relationships, leverage tools like email marketing, meeting scheduling, and built-in communication features. These tools make it simple to stay in touch with clients, schedule appointments, and maintain ongoing engagement, which is critical for building lasting partnerships in the real estate industry. Finally, let's explore reporting and analytics. HubSpot's reporting tools provide valuable insights into your sales performance, marketing efforts, and customer service outcomes. By analyzing this data, you can identify what's working, what needs improvement, and make strategic decisions to grow your business. Regularly reviewing these reports will help you stay ahead and continuously refine your approach. And there you have it. Today, we covered everything from setting up your HubSpot account and managing contacts, to configuring sales pipelines and utilizing marketing tools, all tailored for real estate professionals like you. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, remember you can sign up using the link in the description below. So now you know exactly how to get started with HubSpot for your real estate business. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.